Okay guys, here we are in the 3rd gen 03 Dodge Ram 2500, and today our problem is the HVAC controls. See, nothing. It only blows on the highest setting. Alright, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna replace it with this, picked up off eBay of course, and that should solve our problem. Alright, we're getting air, but it's only at the maximum, so we know the blower is working. Alright, so it must be in the controls. Alright, hold one. Alright, and to access this, we're just gonna pull this panel down. Alright, and this should pop out. Just be gentle, just pop around it. That's gonna fall, and this should give us access to the unit. Alright, hold one. So there's a Phillips head screw right in that hook right there. We just need to open that, and that should give us access. And just like that guys, she's free, and this unit is being held in by 2 connectors. Alright, and it appears somebody has been in here before. Obviously, well, they had to change the radio, so we're gonna go ahead, unhook that, and plug the new one in. Alright, let's see, I believe there's a, yeah, there's gonna be a screw right there that's holding it in. Alright, these are already missing, so we're good there. Hold on. Alright, so she's free, and we see that this one was actually a replace unit from a 04 Ram. That's interesting. And basically the connectors, you just squeezing and unplugging, squeezing and unplugging. Alright, this unit, also a used unit, we're gonna go ahead and plug that in. Alright, and we hope this works. Well, that unit doesn't seem to have been the problem. The problem seemed to be, according to the internet, this oops, light. The problem seemed to be, or maybe this unit here, where part of it become unsoldered or detached. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead, release these, check that component. If it's detached, I'll just resolder it. Alright guys, so 2 Phillips screw, and this just came right out. And right, we're dealing with under the passenger side, but look at the corrosion on that puppy right there. I'm gonna try to clean it up, and if there are any detached ends, I'll just apply some solder to that, and we'll take it from there. Back at ya. So guys, the old one was too far gone. Tried cleaning it up, tested, didn't work, so we went source the new part. It's about 40 bucks, and that's a part number right there. Alright, so let's get it in and see what it does. Just a quick note, that blower motor resistor also includes extra wiring and connections, just in case you need to cut and you know, extend. Alright, so that's it. And guys, just like that, we got action on every setting. So that did it, guys. Was a blower motor resistor. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and secure this now that everything is working. Alright, and I'm gonna secure that back to where it should be. Alright, guys, happy to report or fix work. And while I'm there, I'm gonna go ahead and change out the cabin air filter as well. Another success, guys. 2003 Dodge Ram 2500, 5.7 Hemi. So guys, today we're gonna work on placing the backlighting on this HVAC climate control here. First thing we do is just yank that apart. Alright, and it should come right apart, especially if folks have been in there many times before you have. Alright, and the bulb we're going to be using or installing is some LEDs from our favorite site there, Amazon. That's what they are. We're going to just insert them in there. Back it. And do remember, there's also a screw that holds this in place. Alright, but this entire thing should come apart once you free it from the clips. And once you free the unit, alright, it's going to be held in with some screws. Alright, go ahead, remove those. Flip it on the back here. As you can see, this is a used unit. So what I'm using is a flathead. Alright. Oops. Sorry about that. Use a flathead, Leatherman here. Just twist, and this thing should come right up. Alright, like so. Let's do the other one. Sorry about the fingers in the way, but camera is in one hand. And these are the LEDs from our pack. I'm just gonna drop them in. Should be a drop and twist. Like that. And you're done. We're gonna do the other three, and we're gonna power it up and see what we got. And just like that, you can see the cool blue light background there. It's daytime, so you're not going to get a good visual of this, guys. So that's it. LEDs. And that's how it looked, guys. Oh, see if it matches the radio. Kinda, sorta. Came out pretty good, I think.
Sunday afternoon.
All right.
Hey,
ciao.